So you've learned all sorts of things that seem like they don't do their job in Latin, like we can have a verbal adjective, right? That describes a noun in the other part of the sentence. We also have something in Latin called a genitive or an ablative of quality or description. You'll hear it used a bunch of different ways. And basically, it's a genitive and ablative. It's a noun used either in the genitive or ablative case plus a modifying adjective, and it can be, the whole phrase can be used to modify another noun. So both the ablative and genitive of description might describe a noun by indicating its character, quality, or size. And the ablative of description, commonly used to describe a physical trait. Now, the genitive of description often appears with numbers to describe measurement. Okay, so you'll see how we do that. You'll see how we do that below. And these descriptive phrases usually follow the nouns they modify, just like a regular adjective coming afterwards in Latin, so you know what it belongs to. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of these. Femina magnae sapientiae. So here what we've got is the adjective, right? The genitive or the ablative case. Here we have the genitive case, followed by the adjective here. A woman of great intellect. And you can see how it's genitive. So genitive of great intellect. You can see how that translates right into the of. Miles firma manu. So here we have ablative, right? Here we have here it's opposite, right? Here we have the adjective first, and then we have the ablative second. So you see, it does come both ways. Usually it's the opposite way. And a soldier with the strong hand. So you can see how it translates right with the with that belongs with the ablative case. Okay, let's look at a couple of sentences. In lapidi octo radios trium cubitorum excidi. All right, so we can already see that it's in the genitive, right? And in stone, I cut out 8 rays of 3 cubits. So genitive of description because it has to do with numbers, right? Okay. A citadel, we're going to do opposite English into Latin, with very high walls, cannot be easily overcome. This whole phrase gets translated with the ablative because, remember, ablative is usually describing a physical trait. And the English word with gives it away for us as well. So arx moneni, so moeniis, so ablative, altissimis, facile, and then you have choices, superaria, winky, non potest. So the only thing that's gonna trigger this is that you're gonna look for whole entire phrases that in a case that you don't normally expect, and they're going to have physical traits, characters, quality, size, numbers, those sorts of things.